Take a ride in the 2013 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.